Building an online business doesn't have to take years. The truth is, most people stay stuck because they don't have a system. They try one thing, then another, constantly second guessing themselves, and end up going in circles. That's exactly what AI Freedom Launchpad fixes. Here's what it is: a step by step system designed to get your online business up and running without wasting time, money, or energy. Here's why it matters. Instead of piecing together random advice from YouTube or blogs, you get a clear roadmap. You'll know what to do first, what to do next, and what tools actually matter. No fluff, no distractions, just action. Here's when you'll see results. Instead of waiting years to figure it out, you'll start seeing progress in weeks. That means building momentum faster, creating income sooner, and finally feeling like you're on the right track. And here's how it works: you follow the Launchpad system. It guides you through every stage of building and automating your business. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you just need to execute the plan. Your business won't build itself. But with AI Freedom Launchpad, you finally have the shortcut to make it happen. Click the link below and get started today.